Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. Today we're going to be reviewing the letters A to I. That's all of the letters that we've studied already. We're going to break it down into listening and practicing. Alright, let's get into the first letter. Letter A. Ready? Listen. Apple. Alligator. Animals. Ant, astronaut. Okay, now it's time for you to practice. Are you ready? Okay, now let's review the letter B. Listening. Ready? Baby, ball, balloon, banana, bear. Okay, are you ready? It's your turn. Okay, on to the letter C. Listening. Cake, car, cat, cow, cup. Okay, are you ready? It's your turn. Whew, okay, let's take a quick break here. Now remember, please, there are timestamps down in the description below. Also, links to the first 3 phonics videos which feature these vocabulary words. All right, are we ready? Okay, let's get back into it. The letter D, listening. Dinosaur, dog, doll, door, duck. Okay, it's your turn. The letter E, listening. Egg, elephant, elevator, engine, enter. Okay, it's your turn. The letter F, listening. Father, finger, fish, fork, frog. Okay, it's your turn. All right, that's 6 down and 3 to go. Let's take a quick break. Again, remember, down in the description, I have links to my WordWall account, which can give you extra practice in letter recognition and also matching upper and lowercase letters. All right, let's continue. The letter G, listening. Garden, gate, girl, goat, guitar. Okay, it's your turn. Are you ready? The letter H, listening. Hamburger, hand, hat, horse, house. Now, it's your turn. The letter I, listening. Igloo, in, insect, invitation, itchy. Okay, your turn. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was useful for you, and if so, please consider subscribing. We've got lots of other stuff on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Also, special thanks to my son Alan, who did all of the fantastic artwork. featured in this video.
That's all, folks.